It's been awfully quiet in the airdrop space. There is a lot of things going on, but also a lot of people are already fed up, unfortunately. But there is one airdrop that is upcoming, Berachain, which is, I think, one of the most valuable and most recommended to follow. Absolutely free. So obviously, again, the dilution, the same was recently with Hamster Combat. A lot of people, 100 million people joined. So you can see how there is a interest, to say the least, but also obviously that creates dilution. But Berachain is going strong and it's building a lot of stuff. It's doing the Bera store, is doing different things, releasing to show their obviously for real. And I found a website that has a high chance, according to Steven, the calculator guy, of becoming one of the main dexes or main websites on Berachain, which is really cool. I just deposited one Bera here for 76% APR, which is very nice, and it's showing here even the price of Bera. I don't know if it's pre-market, $6.8. So let's just quickly jump into it, how to do it. Obviously in my other videos I show you how to set it up. Basically you would need MetaMask and connect the wallet. It will load up the network, at the network, but you will need the faucet money. So you go to Berachain faucet, basically on their homepage here in the dApps. I'll put the link down below. In the dApps you have faucet, go to it, put your address, copy from MetaMask, obviously on top here, copy, paste, and then send some money to yourself. You can do it once a day, and the same with Berachain. Obviously do the tasks every day if you can. Then on Bera, as I mentioned in other videos, you can swap some tokens, you can do a lot of things here that I recommend as well. You have minting honey, burps, all that stuff I was covering. And once you have obviously some Bera, which can take a couple minutes to arrive, if you can see a lot of things here you can deposit. So I did deposit Bera. I think it converted to wrapped Bera to provide that APY. I've got some honey as well. If you don't have honey, obviously go here to Berachain. Again, the swap function will give you Bera to honey. You just connect the wallet, it will show you how much you have. You know, it's also showing the amount in dollars, which it didn't before, so I'm not sure if it's already near the launch. Hopefully yes. So I did the Bera, so you just quickly press the plus, deposit, and do those transactions every day. Deposit, withdraw, all that stuff, in and out. Bera base from Coinbase, the network that's already launched but doesn't have a coin yet, official coin. These are very interesting indeed to continue at least farming daily or doing some transactions, some actions. Why not? Okay, so this is deposited now, as you can see, very easy. And as I said, you know, if you have a little, just deposit a little bit, like 20% of your balance. Next they come, withdraw the whole lot. Why not? This is all about those transactions. Not sure if it's gonna let me do it straight away. Maybe you have to wait. Well, let me just deposit some honey as well. Unlock it first and then confirm deposit when you unlock it. And that's it. This is it. Go through the sections here. Braid is probably trading. Skip the tour. Oh, it's coming soon. Okay, not ready yet. Balance, this is your balance. This is probably going to be similar to Drift protocol on Solana with trading mostly, but also this one has the APR, so maybe something between Camino and Drift, or something like Jupiter where you can trade as well and swap the coins, but obviously on Berachain. So very interesting, and already you can see it's ramping up. A lot of things adding. Berachain continues to build the hype. That's what it's all about in the end, to use the network, for people to use the network. It has to be attractive in some way. Let's see how it goes, but everything is building up, and let's see when they're gonna get the launch and the token generation event. So any questions, let me know. Keep on farming, and thank you for watching.